Now, let's come to Keystrokes and feature settings. Front panel indicator. 3 LED lights indicating the status from top to bottom. White, white, red. 1 button, power on/off or function setting. Keep pressing the button for 3 seconds. 3 LEDs will light up gradually. The machine is powered on. In power on status, keep pressing the button for 3 seconds. The 3 LEDs will extinguish gradually. Then the machine is powered off. Set the liquid outlet amount. Set in power on status. 2 levels of liquid outlet amount choosable. Level 1, press the button. 1 white light flashes 1 second. Level 2, press the button. 2 white lights flash 1 second. There is power indicate when the liquid outlet is inducted. 3 LEDs turn on, full battery. 2 LEDs turn on, half battery. Red LED blinking 4 times, low battery. The dispenser does not work when in low battery. Note: in the power on status, if the hand sanitizer bottle is not detected or the front cover is not properly closed, the red LED light will flash at a frequency of 1 Hz as alarm. For a more detailed guide on how to set up, as well as the battery indicator and power settings, please follow the dispenser user manual found under our website, ProtectorPlus.ca/products.